The flow breaker, uncovering the habitual nature of digital drift. Maintaining focus becomes difficult when platforms like YouTube and Instagram are built to constantly capture attention. Access to distraction-free, quiet environments is limited, making it hard to stay productive. Concepts: real-time distraction detection, gentle nudging mechanism, adaptive flow anchors. Benefits: improves focus, reduces screen fatigue, adapts to you, builds long-term discipline, respects privacy. A tiny, gentle tool that spots distractions and softly nudges users back to focus, using calm cues and light reminders, without overwhelm. Features: distraction detection, micro nudges, personalized adaptation, end-of-day reflection, offline and privacy first, low resource usage, minimalist design.
Introducing Rashmi.